So how do you turn off the camera light on the iPhone? And let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not gonna miss anything important. So if you're using the front or rear facing camera, there might be some light in the scene which you probably want to disable, and it is most likely the flash. So if you are capturing the video, for example, you can go to the video mode and swipe up to get like these more options appear, and there is the flash which can be turned on. And when you enable the flash and start recording, the video will be helped out by the LED flash which is next to the camera on the back, and it will just light up. So the whole point is that you need to go to this section like that and turn off the flash feature. This goes for the photos as well, and the same thing goes for the front facing camera. While on the front facing one we don't have like the LED lights, but the whole screen can actually light up to illuminate the subject. Like if you're taking a selfie, it might add the additional lighting which might be required. So just make sure that the flash feature is disabled, and that way nothing really just manages you, or nothing stands in the way. So that's how you can control it. So I hope I can help you out with this in this very quick video. Hit the thumbs up if we managed to fix it. Subscribe for more, and if you meant something else, let me know about that below in the comments. I'll make an updated video about it. So I make a lot of tutorials. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.